Got this in make so I didn't stay there long. I was here last year. I was in no, I was in Cancun last year and I visited what up, guys? Y'all know what it is. We all here full point of view. Here we go. Take you guys. I'm not to walk y'all over. Here comes the 5 Get a pretty good view of the ocean from your own balcony. What's up, you guys? You got the infinity pool right here, overlooking the ocean. This is the 5 oceans you got in Cancun. You ever in town? This is a lovely place to go. Look at the views. Look at the views. And then you got part of the hotels on it. As soon as you step out.
What else do you want, Ricky?
Huh?
What else do you want? What else do you need?
This here is paradise.
Is it amazing or what?
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Can't miss the views. The views is always.
Welcome to the nature. Welcome to